Today's topic is about condition monitoring of LA by LCM. So what is LA? LA is the lightning arrestor. And what is LCM? LCM is the leakage current measurement. So lightning arrestor or surge arrestor is a protective device used for limiting the effect of surge voltage on the equipment or power distribution system, discharging the surge current, protecting the equipment from dangerous overvoltage and disturbances. So lightning arresters or surge arresters is being used in front and back side, incoming side and outgoing side of the transformers, power transformers, outgoing feeders, outgoing line for the protections from the dangerous overvoltage and disturbances. It absorbs the surge voltage. So what is the problem by which the LA will be destroyed or will be damaged? So the first point is the moisture ingress due to the sealing problem, aging of zinc oxide variation, dust particles on the external surface. That means in a heavily polluted area, dust particles are deposited on the porcelain part of the LA, and that will decrease the insulation resistance or IR value. So it will be reached to the breakdown voltage and the puncture voltage, then that material will be exploded or will be damaged. So, and also the crack on the porcelain surface, if any crack on the porcelain surface, so the partial discharge, heavy amount of partial discharge will be there, so the material can be damaged due to the highly partial discharge. If there is any internal partial discharge, so the material can be damaged. To avoid the failure of LA, it is necessary to monitor its health in regular basis. So you have to, what you have to do to avoid the failure of the LA, you have to check the leakage current on the surge counter. You have to record it and just monitor it. You have to check the insulation resistance of the LA, the different stack, different insulation resistance you have to calculate it. Then if a LA will be failed, then what will be happen? The exploits with porcelain splitters, the porcelain parts of the LA will be damaged and scattered here and there of the substations or power station, power plant, whatever, the LA will be installed. So for the scattering of the LA different particles, the nearest high value equipment can be damaged, or there will be short circuit problem maybe. There may be any mechanical damage to the other costly equipment, CT current transformer, PT potential transformer and transformers bushing that is installed near to the damaged lightning arresters or surge arresters. So what is IR? IR is the resistive leakage current. You have to calculate the resistive leakage current and control the resistive leakage current for the healthiness of a LA or the surge counter. So normal service metal oxide surge arrestor carrying continuous but small leakage current 0.1 to 2 milliampere. Leakage current is dominated by a capacitive current. Resistive component range 5 to 25% of the capacitive component. Metal oxide surge arrestor operated continuous voltage ranging 60% to 80% of the rated voltage. So what is IR value? IR value, you should obviously monitor the IR value. IR is the resistive current, resistive leakage current inside the lightning arrestor. So 350 and 500 microampere should be closely monitored. If you get this value, you should be closely monitor the LA regular basis. If the value will be beyond the 500 microampere, the particular LA should be replaced. So what is LCM? LCM is the leakage current measurement machine. It is a portable system. You can easily transport the material by machines from one substation to the other substation, one power plant to the another power plant, etc. Monitor of the live LA. Live LA, you can monitor the live LA, IR, third harmonics calculations by help of the LCM. You can easily do. Quick and reliable information you will get. Now discussed about the accessories of LCM. LCM is the leakage current measurement machine. So what is its accessories? With the help of the accessories, these machines can easily collect the data of IR, IC, IR correct, etc. So what is its accessories? Accessories is the leakage current transformers. Looks like a tongue tester, so clamp connector, a clamp type digital meter. Dix antenna probe, telescopic hot streak, THS, Dix antenna probe, DAP, signal conditioning and measuring unit, DCU, signal processing and data management unit, SPU. How to use the LCM? The first thing is connect the LCT across the earthing strip of LA to measure the leakage current. Suppose this is a LA, this is the base, and this is the conductor from the upper side is connected to the LA top. This is the LA and this is the base of the LA. So from the base of the LA to search counter and search counter to earth, you have to connect the meter. You have to connect the meter to this earthing port. By help of this LCT, you can measure the leakage current. You can measure the leakage current as this picture is given. So place the Dix antenna probe with the help of telescopic hot streak at the base of the LA to pick up the harmonics in the system voltage. So you have as this streak and a Dix type probe. You have to just touch this probe here. Touch this probe here to get the third harmonics. To get the third harmonics from here. And this probe is connected with, this probe will be connected with the different machine, that is signal conditioning and measuring unit, that is SCU, and this SCU will be connected with the SPU and you will get the data of the leakage current. So this measurement is this is the telescopic type rod, telescopic type streak. This is the Dix antenna probe. This is the LCT. Then you have to connect the SCU with LCT and DAP, Dix antenna probe, and also with the CT as input to determine the resistive component of leakage current. So connect the SCU and SPU. Then measured parameter. Which parameter you have to measure? So the IT milliampere, peak value of total leakage current, IC milliampere capacitive current, I3T milliampere third order harmonics current, IR milliampere resistive current, uncorrected value. It is the uncorrected value. and IR is the corrected value of the resistive current, 70% of rated voltage and at 20 degree Celsius temperature. So what is the benefit of the LCM? So by help of the LCMs you can easily calculate the leakage current, resistive leakage current, and on the basis of the value of the resistive leakage current you can easily identify or easily consider that you should replace the lightning arresters or surge arresters, or it should be kept in the systems. So the confident knowledge. So the main things is the confident knowledge you will get by help of this LCM machine after the calculation or after the required test, and prevent the costly arresters failure. And if you sanguine or if you will get the informations about the leakage current, which amount of leakage current is flowing through the LA, you can easily prevent the costly arresters failure. And also no disturbance means if these types of tests you will do regular basis, you will aware of the failure or things before reaching to the dangerous value, you will obviously replace the LA for the betterment of the systems, and the systems will be normalized without any type of disturbance. So no disturbance will be there. This is the very important test that is we are maintaining to the substations, we are maintaining to the power plant switchyard, substation switchyard, to know the value of the leakage current, resistive leakage current. It is very important. So friend, if you interested, please subscribe my channel and also share my video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.